it's Marky. Let's talk about the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Setting Powder. I get this in the banana shade and it just has that really touch of sheer coverage, just so it just gives you a little tiny bit of color. I use this after I usually apply a tinted moisturizer and apply this afterwards to really even it all out. It gives you really that soft effect, that blurring look, so you look flawless and just beautiful. Make sure that your makeup doesn't crease. It just sets everything perfectly. Works great over your concealer, or if you wear foundation, it works great over that. It just gives such a soft, light effect that you don't even notice it's there, but it just blurs everything and every imperfection. It is a 3.3 ounce jar. I really don't have to rebuy this very often because it does. And here it is. Here's the one time I have to buy it, but I only have to buy this like once every couple months because a little does go a long way. And it just has been so perfect and amazing for me. I was looking through a ton of different setting powders. A lot of them felt too heavy. I could really feel the dryness on my face. This doesn't feel dry. It doesn't feel heavy. It feels like air. There's nothing there. So this is great for most skin tones. I would say if you were a super deep skin tone, maybe you would want to do the translucent, but I think up to maybe really deep, I think this would be perfect. It really doesn't give you a whole lot of color. It just gives that sheer little touch of coverage. So if you are looking for a great setting powder, I think this is a great product to look into. Like I said, I have loved it, and I've probably been using this for almost 2 years, and I will not use any other one. This goes with me everywhere. So like I said, if you are looking for something that's really great and really just going to give you that sheer look, I would highly recommend that you look into this, and I hope this was helpful. Thank you.